Hello from Dhaka. This is Noshin Anjum and you are watching Basis Headlines. Prime Minister arrives in Sylhet on day-long official tour. Prime Minister Tarique Rahman arrived in Sylhet this morning on a day-long tour to join several programs including inauguration of a canal excavation and the Notun Kuri Sports. He offered ziyarat at the shrine of Hazrat Shah Jalal shortly after arrival. The Prime Minister also inaugurated a canal excavation and a flood protection and beautification project along the Surma river at Chandni Ghat. The Prime Minister is scheduled to inaugurate the Baisha River re-excavation and launch Notun Kuri Sports 2026. This is his first official tour to Sylhet since assuming office. Government takes steps to reopen closed factories, says Prime Minister. Prime Minister Tarique Rahman says the government has taken steps to gradually reopen closed factories across the country. He has directed authorities to assess how quickly operations can resume to create jobs for unemployed workers. The Prime Minister made the remarks while addressing a Shramik rally at Noyapolitan on International Workers' Day. Minister Fakhrul calls for mainstreaming mutual harmony for a prosperous country. LDRD and Cooperatives Minister Mirza Fakhrul has called for strengthening mutual harmony among communities. He said all religions promote peace, compassion and human welfare. The minister made the remarks as the chief guest while addressing a program organized by the Bangladesh Buddhist Federation on the occasion of Buddha Purnima held at Badda in the capital. US to withdraw about 5,000 troops from Germany. The United States will withdraw around 5,000 troops from Germany within the next year. The decision was announced by Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth. The move follows tensions involving President Donald Trump and Germany's leadership over the US-Israeli war against Iran. Gautam Buddha's teachings highly relevant in today's world, says AZM Zahid Hossain. Social Welfare Minister AZM Zahid Hossain says the teachings of Gautam Buddha remain highly relevant today. He highlighted values like non-violence, equality and compassion as key to global peace. The remarks came at a symposium on Vesak Day in the capital. Government to increase budgetary allocation in education, says Education Minister. Education Minister A.N.M. Ehsanul Haq Milon says the government plans to increase the education budget in the next fiscal year. The goal is to improve the quality of education and make learning more engaging for students. He made the remarks at a school football tournament event. Working people deprived of fair rights in last 17 years, says Mir Helal. State Minister Mir Helal has expressed concern over workers being deprived of fair rights in the past 17 years. He pointed to unsafe workplace, low wages and lack of justice in accident cases. The remarks came at a discussion marking May Day and National Occupational Health and Safety Day. Paddy and rice collection begins May 3 in 6 Haor districts. The government will begin collecting Boro paddy and rice from Haor districts starting 3rd May. The move aims to support farmers affected by sudden tidal surges. In other districts, paddy collection will also start on 3rd May, while rice collection will begin from 15th May as scheduled. That's all for now. For more information, visit bssnews.net. Thanks for watching.